Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge, and this is the indicator when we change our filter cartridge inside. It shows here is all reds and blinking. So and first we have to take these things off, and we need to unplug it from wire, and it's gonna be stop beeping. And I take the top, and we have to unplug the wire and take this. This is a wire hubs. This is a patented, and I have to remove this. Just take this part off. I have to do some screws, so it's kind of tight. Okay, take this one, and to take the cartridge we have to lift these things up and pull up and see how is the old cartridge looks like. And this one has a water inside. After take out the cartridge from the base, we have to screw and take off this part. It's kind of tight. Okay, so I take this from the base and see how dirty is this cartridge is. You can see it's all, you know, black, and I can show you the difference with the new one. You can see inside the base, and I'm gonna wipe with the paper towel. Look how dirty water, you know. If we don't have this eSpring, all the doors, our kidney needs to be filtered. So we are doing, you know, helping kidney to relax using a eSpring. Okay, and I'm gonna open the new cartridge, and this cartridge lasts for it's 1,300 gallons water purification. This is you know, clean, tasty water we can get from the eSpring. So I'm putting the cap on new cartridge and press it and screw and make it tight, and I put it here. It's easy. Okay, and put this one cap here, and there this one has a screw, so make it tight. So it's tight now. So this is the magic things for the eSpring. This one goes top of the things here, and this is a UV system, and this is connect on the wire, but not inside the cartridge. And these things take care of all the bacteria, virus, and all the things is kills. And this is highly patented. Just push this. It's too easy. And this is a wire. This goes in here. Just push it. This one push here. Then I have to put these pipes. there is a 2 holes. Big one goes in the big hole, and small one goes in small hole. You just push it all the in, so it's tight now, and just cover. Okay, now I put the tops round here. Now it start running water, and we have to wait until 3 to 5 minutes to get the fresh water. Then the water comes first, 3 to 5 minutes. The water comes in black because the new cartage, the carbon is coming. Don't worry when you see the black on the water. We finished the installing process, and water coming and still purifying the water, and you can see the system on there is beeping and still red. So when it's clean the water, the this glass is turned blue.
Yeah.
Now you will see the blue line. When I turn the cap, is it start purifying the water. So it's good to go, and you will get the clean water. And I can taste it. It is fresh, clean and tasty water.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel.